Meet the 3D printed home you can recycle. Researchers from the University of Maine created this 600 square foot prototype from 100% bio-based materials. The floors, walls, and roof were all made using the world's largest polymer 3D printer, which produced the world's largest 3D printed boat back in 2019. The house was printed off-site in 4 modules, transported, and assembled at its destination in just half a day. The prototype will be monitored through the winter, measuring temperature, environmental, and structural performance, providing data that will be used to inform future designs. Details are scarce on what the recycling process looks like and what the price is expected to be. Would you want to live in a recyclable home? Let us know down in the comments.